How to fix PayPal? We can't complete this right now. So if you encounter a situation like this, like whenever you send or request money from someone, and this pop up and says, we can't complete this transfer right now. So there are a few methods that I can show you here in order for you to solve that. First, you can go to PayPal community and you have to simply type this issue. Then you will see here people with the same issue and how they solve that. Here you can see that there was a problem with her bank or his bank account. So first, you have to make sure that your bank account is available in your country because there are tendencies or cases that your bank is not available in your country if you have moved to another country or what. Okay, so that's the very first thing. You have to make sure that your card is available in your country. And also another thing is that if you encounter this, they said that maybe your bank account has already expired, or if you create a bank account, you have to make sure that the information is matched to your address, to your name, and match the bank code right here and account number right here because you cannot link your bank account or you will encounter some problem soon if there is a mismatch of the information. The third way to solve this problem is to simply tap this help right here and go directly to contact us. Here you can reach their personal assistant or agent and you can talk to them and ask them to help you with this matter. You can also call them or you can go to community or resolve transaction or account issue by tapping this resolution center, or you can just simply talk to their people assistant to solve this issue. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.